Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Maths. We are going to now look at reviewing 1993 AMC8. Okay, consider this histogram of the scores for 81 students taking a test. So, the number of students are given at the top of the graph. These are the number of students, right? And these are the marks. So it basically means one student got 40, two students got 45, four students got 50, and so on and so forth. That's how to read this histogram. So totally we have 81 students taking this test. So the total of all this, right, is going to be 81. So we have 81 students, right? Now the median is in the interval labeled. So we want the median marks, right? So which interval it is in. So if we have 81 students, so when we always have odd number of students, you will always have a mid value, right? Midpoint is possible for an odd this one. So we will have a median which will not be in point, it will be a whole number. So okay, so this is going to be 81 plus 1 by 2, which is 82 by 2, that is 41. Okay, so the 41st number, so you will have the, wait a second, let me just think about this. Okay, yeah, so you have 40 numbers this side, 40 numbers that side, and the 41st number is going to be your median, middle number. Okay, so we have to see where does 41st number come here. So I'm just going to see this. So I'm going to add this. So 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 28, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 41 is going to come over here. 41st student. The mark is 70, right? So your median is C, 70. Okay, this is how we do this. This is 2. Going to the next question. In each of the three operations, signs plus, minus, into is used exactly once in one of the blanks in the expression, then the value of the result could equal. So could, right? So there could be, more than one answer, but we have to find the answer which is one of the options. So now obviously 6 into 3 will become 18. So if this is 18, so suppose I'm using multiplication here, and remember I'm not looking at board mass here, okay, because this is, they are specifically saying expressions are used only once, so I'm just assuming that this will be done first. Okay, so I'm not using any brackets here, I'm just, so see, if this is 18, then we have to add 1 to 18 to get an answer of 19. You can see that. So I'm just going to say this. So this becomes 1 plus 18, so your answer is 19. That's how I see this. Okay, so answer option E. Going to the next question. The word help in block letters is painted in black with strokes 1 unit wide on a 5 by 15 rectangular white sign with dimensions as shown. The area of the white portion of the sign in square units is. This is simple, we can just add, right? So 1 unit wide on a 5 by 5 rectangle. So this is 1 unit, this part, right? This black width is 1 unit and this height is 5. This is 1 because this whole thing is 3, right? So I have one square here, the second square here. No, this will be my third, this will be my fourth. Okay, and here totally I'll have 5 squares. Okay, then here I will have 2 squares, I'll have 2 squares, then here I'll have 5 squares. Okay, I'm just going by the width. So this is 1, so remaining is 2. So here I'm going to have 4. This also will be 4, correct? And this will be 5. This is 1, okay? And this here will be 4, okay? Now I'm just going to make a small change here. So instead of numbering this 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm just going to write 1, 1, 1, 1, right? Or even I can call this as, because otherwise it's going to be confusing when we're adding. So 2, 2, okay? So now we will just add this 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 25, 30, 35. No, I've made a mistake. I think it should be 36. Let's just check. 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 11, 13, 18. Yes, I made a mistake. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 10, 36. That's the answer. D, 36. Okay, that's how you do this. It's simple. Going to the next one, question 14. The 9 squares in the table shown are to be filled so that each row and every column contains each of the numbers 1, 2, 3. Then a plus b is equal to. Oh, so they want the total of these two. So that's pretty easy to find. So now look at this. I have 1 here, I have 2 here, right? So there cannot be 2 here in this place. So there cannot be a 2 here, and there cannot be a 1 here. So this, okay, 1, there cannot be another 1 here. There cannot be another 2 here. So the only possible option in this space is 3. Okay, so this will be 3. Now, if this is 3, this will be 2. Okay, this will be 2. So if this is 2, this can only be 1 and 3. Correct? So the total is 4. That's your answer, option C. Okay, going to the next question. The arithmetic mean average of 4 numbers is 85. If the largest of these numbers is 97, then the mean of the remaining 3 numbers. So A plus B plus C plus 97, okay, by 4 is equal to 85. Mean of the remaining 3 numbers. So what do we want actually? We want A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to how much? This is what I want. So if I am able to get a total of A plus B plus C, this will automatically come. So let's do that. So I'm going to see A plus B plus C plus 97 is equal to 85 into 4, right? So that will be 340, right? So A plus B plus C is going to be 243. Okay, so this A plus B plus 3 by B plus C by 3 will be this by 3, okay, which is going to be this divisible by 3. So 8 3s are 24 and 1. So this is going to be our answer. This is A plus B plus C by 3, 81. A. Going to next question. Okay, going to question number 16. This is just a simple calculation problem, right? So I'm just going to say there is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, right? So this will be 1 by 1 plus 1 by 7 by 3, correct? So this is nothing but 1 by 1 plus 3 by 7, 1 by 10 by 7, which is nothing but 7 by 10. Just answer option C. Going to the next question. Yeah. Square corners 5 units on a side are removed from a 20 unit by 30 unit rectangular sheet of cardboard. So forget about this right now, okay? Now we are going to have a rectangular sheet of cardboard which is going to look like this, 20 by 30. So this is going to be 20 and this is going to be 30. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We are going to remove square corners, 5 units on a side. So I'm going to remove corner like this. Okay. So this is 5 units. Like that, every side a corner like this is removed. Okay. The sides are then folded to form an open box. So this entire thing without the corners are folded into a box, and they want the surface area and square units of the interior box. So we have to find the surface area of this part, right? The shaded region, this complete thing. We have to find the surface area. Okay, when you look at it like this, it becomes very simple. So how do we do that? You just need to say the rectangle surface area, which is nothing but 600 minus, so one square surface area is 5 into 5, right? 5 by 5 square. So that's going to be 25. And we have 4 such squares, right? So this is going to be 100. So when I subtract 600 and 100, I'm going to get 500, which is my answer. Answer option B. This folded and all is given just to confuse you. It's just this. Okay. Now look at the question number 18. The rectangle shown has length AC is equal to 32. So AC is 32 with AE 20. So AE is 20. B and F are midpoints of AC and AE. So this is midpoint. So this should be 16. This should be 16, right? Because we have 32 in total. And this will be 10 and 10. This is 10 and this is 10. Okay. This total thing is 32. This total thing is 20. Okay. That's how we see. The area of the quadrilateral ABDF. So they want ABDF, this one. Okay. So this is nothing but the whole rectangle minus these two right angle triangles, right? And the area of the right angle triangle is pretty easy to calculate, half into breadth into height. So first let's do that. So rectangle area is 16 into 32, correct? No, it's not 16 into 32, it's 32 into 20 arrow. Okay, so this is not 16, this is 20. So 20 into 32 is equal to 640. Now this is half BHZ. So I'm going to say 640 minus what is half of 20 into 16 is 160. Similarly, this is also 32 into 5, right? So half of 10 is 5, 32 into 5 is another 160. So 640 minus 2 160, that's going to be 320. Okay, let's see if the answer option is there. Yes, A. Going to the next question. Okay, 1901, 1902, 1903 and so on till 1993. So there are 93 numbers here, correct? Starting from 1 to go to 93, so we have 93 numbers here. Similarly, here it goes from 1 to 93. Now I'm going to subtract this from 1901. If I subtract 101, 1902, I subtract 102. So this is going to become 1800. This is going to become 1800. So on and so forth. So how many 1800s do we have? 93. So it's 93 into 1800. Correct? So that is going to be let me check. A. The 167 400. A answer option. Okay. Going to the next question. When 10 power 93 minus 93 is expressed as a single whole number, the sum of the digits is. So we have to expand this and then express it as a whole number, and they want the sum of the digits. Okay, tricky, but that's a way to do this. Okay, should know the approach. So let's just instead of 93, first let me take 1 here. Okay, 10 power 1. So 1 I cannot have because 93 is lesser than 1. I'll go into a negative number. So I'm going to start with 2. Okay, minus 93. what is the answer of this? 10 square is 100, right? 100 minus 93 is 7. Now let me take 10 cube minus 93. Okay. So what is this? This is 1000 minus 93, right? So this is 907. Okay. Then we have 10 power 4 minus 93. What will this be? This will be 9907. Let me write one more. 10 power 5 minus 93. This is going to give me 99907. So you see the pattern which is emerging here. Okay. So suppose I'm going to take this as n. Okay. So when I write this, I can say, so if I generalize this, how will I generalize? So I'll say 10 power n. Okay. Minus 93 is equal to, you have how many nines here? So you have, so if it is 4, you have 2 nines. If it is 3, you have 1 9. If it is 5, you have 3 nines. Am I correct? So it is n minus 2. Okay, n minus 2 nines. Okay, so it's not multiplied by 9, it's n minus 2 nines that you have, followed by the last number is always 07. 07. Okay, so if I have, this is the generic way of writing this. So I'm going to say 10 power 93. Let's use the generic formula. So this is going to be, this is going to be 10 n minus 2. So this is 91, right, into 9. So 91 nines, we want the sum, right? So 91 into 9 plus 7, correct? So that is nothing but 9 nines are 81 plus 7, which is equal to 826. Do we have the answer? Yes, this. Okay, so this is because we want, why I'm multiplying here is because we want the sum of these numbers. So there are 91 nines and then 07. That's your number. 91 nines and 07. So 91 into 9 plus 7. So that's 819 plus 7, 826. That's your answer. Great. Now I'm going to meet you in the next video, the next 5 sums. Thank you.